The home screen within the application for magicplan gives you a lot of valuable visual indicators. Today we'll be discussing three of the most important. That's the blue cloud right here, the red cloud right here, and the red dot in the top right here. So let's start here. Under the account information, you'll see an option to update workspace configuration. What does this mean? Anytime you make a change to the cloud, whether that's your custom forms or your price list, you need to publish those changes to your workspace. By clicking this indicator right here, you will download any of those changes that you published. Essentially what that means is that anytime you publish something in the cloud, you need to then confirm it and download it locally on your device. After that's been downloaded successfully, you'll see that the red indicator is gone. Now, the blue cloud right here directly pertains to that. Perhaps you made a price list, or rather an estimate, a year ago, and you want to preserve the old prices that you maybe just updated in the cloud. By clicking this, you'll see that you can either apply or not apply workspace data that was updated in the cloud. This relates to those prices I was talking about. So if you need to preserve the estimates that are on this project because they were done many weeks, months, or years ago, you would simply click Do Not Apply. However, if you're currently working on this estimate and you need those updated prices, you can simply click Apply and those changes will be updated within this project alone. Now the last one that you need to know is the red cloud right here. Oftentimes people work with two devices or they collaborate with multiple different colleagues and they don't have automatic backup turned on. So what this means right here is that you are trying to upload a version of this project that is not the latest version that we have in the cloud. So perhaps on your other device you recently uploaded a new version and you need to download that first from your All tab before you make changes and try and upload this again.